Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, oh my gosh, ito na yung pinakinaantay natin, performance ng BINI sa KCON LA 2024. So of course, fan cam to and may nakita ako sa Twitter, kaya agad-agad ito nag-video na ako. And of course, pag lumabas yung official video nito sa, siguro sa YouTube channel ng KCON, of course, let's support guys. Panoodin natin, padamihin natin yung views. Pero hindi ko na maantay yung original video, kaya ito ng fan cam. Pag magtitiis na ako dito sa fan cam kasi gustong-gusto ko na mapanood yung full performance nila. So, oh my gosh, like, 'di ba, KCON, big event to sa K-pop world, and for BINI to perform, like, it's a big deal. Super big deal. Kahit pre-show lang yan, and oh my gosh, grabe yung goosebumps ko guys. Ito na yun, this is it. P-pop girl group domination, world domination. So hindi ko na to patatagalan, let's start. So by the way guys, dinownload ko na tong video from Twitter. So credits dito, may credits naman siya ditong video. So credits, and ilalagay ko yung link nito sa description. Sana payagan to ni YouTube. And dinownload ko na siya para alam mo yun, HD and walang distraction na mag-notif, ganon. Kaya oh my gosh, super excited na ako. Ito na, oh my god, let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Again. Dazzle. Phenomenal girl group from the Philippines! Wow, the scream! Guys, oh my gosh! I'm super proud, like, for real. Let's go, I'm wearing Colette and my bias. Oh my god, Colette! Ang ganda mo! Girly Colette. Wow, the outfit. It's giving. Colette! Let's go, Aya! Oh my god, my girls. Let's go! Woo! Bro, the scream from the crowd. This is BINI, let's go! Malay covering just lines. Grabe, goosebumps ko guys. Nalay focus. Let's go, guys! Show them! The scream! Grabe yung visuals! Let's go, Mika! Show them! Na-imagine ko na, who's that red hair girl? Let's go, Aya! Grabe, ang ganda ni Stocko, ni Shinny, walay lahat sila doon. Sadly lang wala si Jo. I'm sure super proud si Jo. The leader. Gusto ko talaga yung part na yun ni Colette. Parang yung choreo, Let's go! Live focus! Excuse me, Maloy? Bro, are you hearing this? Colette. Maloy's, high notes. my gosh, Maloy, oh my gosh. Para, di ba, kung nandito si Joe, oh my gosh, sobrang, sobrang overwhelmed. Pero, okay lang, syempre, priority yung health, and get well soon, Joe. Oh my gosh, we're always here, and we will wait for your comeback. Comeback stronger, like ganon. Pero, grabe si Maloy, like yung high notes. Excuse me, Filipino throat chakra. What? And manonood din ako guys ng ibang angle nitong performance. May nakita din ako sa Twitter. Oh my God! I'm super proud. Si Aya. Stacy! Woo! Hey! Good gosh, ikaw lang. Wow! Guys are on top. Oh my God. Oh my God, you did great, girls. I'm super proud. We're super proud, Blooms. Oh my gosh. Wow. The scream. Ito guys, ibang angle naman. So, credits sa nag-upload. Oh my gosh, yung quality din natin. Wow. Let's see yung ibang angle. Grabe yung outfit. Oh my God. Live vocals, bro. Maloy. Are you hearing this? Oh my God. Tapos ad-lib. You run the world. Oh my gosh. Stako, I hear you. I heard you pala. Wow. Sarap manood ng iba't ibang angle ng performance nila. Grabe yung may floor choreo. Sobrang hirap na. Glenn! Glenn! Galit! Nakita niyo ba yun? Oh my God. Makabayat ka yan! Wow, Maloy. Tapos na siya. Let's see, ibang angle. Ito parang siya, hindi full performance pero ang lapit. Oh my gosh. What? Yung kanina nasa right side, ito naman left. Let's go, Maloy! Oh my God! Let's go, Maloy! Bro, sobrang... Wow, the feels. That's live, bro. That's live. Like how? Makulit. Let's go, she. Bro, like super nakaka-proud. Eh! Ito naman from Blast TV. Ang dami kong angle na napanood. Kahit ilang beses ko ata ito panood at sobrang nakaka-proud. So be with me, guys. Woo!
You may know me, or how we first met was as an idol in the girl group Rania. And tonight I am so lucky and excited to be your host. Since its inception in 2012 in the United States, KCON has been a global gathering point for K-pop fans worldwide.
Grabe yung K-pop.
We have the chance to
Grabe
open
light
another
up
chapter
K-pop, tas
of
naging isang
intimate
K-pop
memories
group
with K-pop
Bini.
artists and K-Coners alike.
Oh my gosh.
Without further ado, let's get the show started.
Let's go! Grabe ka naman, di ko pa napapanood yung excitement.
Now, we get to be dazzled by the phenomenal girl group from the Philippines.
Let's go!
It sounds like you're excited as I am. This is their first appearance at KCON. Give them a round of applause.
Grabe, like, iba yung feels every videos na panood ko, fan cams. Wow. Todo na ba to? Grabe yung stage presence! Bro, the visual! Grabe yung goosebumps ko doon. So good! Yung smile na siya sa likod. Let's go! Bini world domination. May kaya ka ba? Rinig ko talaga adlibs ni Sako. I miss Joe. kang ganon. Is the one si Colette. Grabe live vocals, 8. Alay! Yung smile ni Aya. Ang sweet ng voice ni Aya.
But we miss her so much, Joanna. We miss you. We hope you guys can support our music by checking out our latest single, Cherry on Top, on all digital streaming platforms. And thank you so much, KCON LA, for inviting us. It is truly an honor to be here in front of everyone.
KCON is
2,
a
3.
big deal.
Thank
For
you.
Bini, oh my gosh, it's a big deal talaga. Kahit pre-show lang. Wow.
Give it up one more time for Vinny! They really just blew me away. Now next up, we have a group who...
So, ayan guys, grabe. Every angle nung performance nila, sobrang sarap panoodin. And parang, alam mo yung first time mo pa din papanoodin kahit iba't ibang angle na yung napanood mo. Wala, super proud lang kasi this is it. Like, deserve nila lahat ng recognition. Ito na yon, yung lahat ng tinraining nila, years of training. Grabe, like, sad lang na wala talaga si Jo kasi syempre hindi naman natin ginusto lahat na magkasakit si Jo, pero alam mo yun, parang siguro way na din ng katawan yun ni Jo na oops, magpahinga ka muna, grabe na yung work mo. So siguro yun na yung way ng katawan ni Jo para mag-stop muna si Jo for a while. And ayun nga, sana talaga gumaling agad si Jo. And yung ano, parang may nakita akong clip sa TikTok, diba, parang dala ni Mika yung luggage ni Jo at saka yung bag. So feel ko naman susunod si Jo siguro sa ibang araw kasi may asa pa sila. So ngayon siguro nagpapagaling ng gusto si Jo. And grabe, gusto ko lang sabihin na ano, siguro in behalf of in behalf of Blooms, like, diba, parang lahat naman yung message natin sa Bini is huwag kayo masyado mag-overwork kasi huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi kami mawawalang Bloom sa tabi nyo. Like, nandito na kami, wala nang alisan to, hindi kami mawawala. We're going to support you no matter what. Kahit mag-ano pa kayo, magpahinga ng ilang weeks or months kasi deserve nyo yun. Kasi syempre, priority naman natin lahat yung health ng isa't isa. So, ayan, good thing na lang din is na-move yung concert, yung Grand Biniverse, kasi bukod sa makakapag-ipon pa tayo, syempre makakapagpahinga yung girls, and sana talaga na-move, diba na-move yung concert, so sana hindi maging jump pack or full yung sked nila ahead of the Grand Biniverse, like, ano ba, October, November, so sana October, June, July, August, kahit September, October, sana minimum lang yung schedule nila, like makakapagpahinga para alam mo, kasi parang pag sunod-sunod talaga yung ganap nila, wala, bibigay talaga yung katawan nila. Kaya sana talaga this is a wake up call sa management na kahit gusto ng girls na umuo lang ng umuo, sana syempre makikinig naman siguro sila sa management na oo, gusto niyong umuo ng umuo para makita yung mga blooms, pero syempre priority yung health. And maiintindihan naman namin blooms yun. Like, syempre priority talaga din namin blooms ang health ng girls para pag nag-perform full energy and alam mo yun, walang iniindang sakit. So ayun lang, back dito sa KCON ng BINI kahit OT7 lang. Grabe yung live vocals, yung visuals, yung outfits, ano pa ba, yung mga adlibs ni Stako and ni Maloy, yung high notes, and pag-cover ni Maloy sa part ni Jo. So, grabe, sobrang nakaka-proud. As in, world domination, BINI, let's go. I'm seated. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!